Lawrence's birthday? Because he's coming up soon, eh?
Yeah, I think to be like I'm holding off on like getting in the know because Ashley and I might be away because we might go up north somewhere because she's got a job up there, and then I thought like, oh, might as well tag along and.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We'll probably stay there,
cool.
so we'll see how it goes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That's all good. Whereabouts is it again? I'm just trying to multitask. Not too good at it.
Can't remember. No idea.
Yeah. This thing is not working for me, eh? Apparently I want to create a YouTube channel.
Why is that?
Oh no, it's just my computer skills. Working on my computer skills, yeah. I accidentally clicked the wrong link and it tried to send me to create my own bloody YouTube channel.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. This fella here. Copy. I'll just drop that to you on Discord. So what are you looking for at the moment? Are you ready going?
Yeah, so I've got a couple of trades going, but there's nothing, like I haven't really had time. I've just been setting everything up. So this is a pretty good setup. So here on gold.
Yeah.
That I'm looking for. So I'll just quickly clear all this. Cool. So like because we've got this, I'm gonna have to draw it. It's called a break and retest.
Yeah.
So what happens is the market kind of moves to the upside and then starts pulling back, and then we have like this what's called a resistance.
Yeah.
Market pushes back up through it and then comes back down, and that's the retest we're getting for. So looking for that to look for moves to the upside. So that's the break and retest essentially that I'm looking for, and then obviously the targets will be back up here again where this previous resistance was.
Yeah.
So have you gotten a platform yet to trade on, or?
No, I haven't got anything yet, bro. Okay. I'm just there. Like I said, I'm starting from fresh, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
Do I send you that link yet? No. Can't do that now. But I know it's the TradeX, isn't it?
TradeX.
Is that what it is? Yeah. Is that what you are? Forex. Yeah. And what trades do you usually go for? What markets each year trying to hit?
To be honest, it doesn't really matter too much. Like I usually just stick to the majors and some of the minors.
Yeah.
So like the Aussie dollar is like obviously is a major pair. As soon as it's dropping, I think it might have. It's pretty close. And then like everything with the pound, so pound dollar, pound yen.
Yeah.
So usually those are the main ones I go for. And then I'll flick through the other ones just to see if they have something interesting in them.
Okay. That's cool. So will you always go live on here? On the
Yes, yeah, I do.
Okay, sweet. Because if I could drop what I'm doing most days and just jump onto this, it would be nice, eh?
Yeah. I mean, the thing is, it does take a bit of time. So
yeah, just to start learning.
Yeah.
What to look out for and all of it, which I do understand.
See where everyone else is.
Yeah. There you go. I just sent you that link. So, what software are you running on your computer?
For what? For the trading or for?
Yeah, for the trading.
So just to analyze, I'm using this. I'm using Trading View.
Trading View. Yeah.
But when I trade, I actually use the broker I use is Blackwell Markets. So that's the one I used to work for.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'll send you over a link.
Okay.
So if you want to open up an account, you can click on this.
What platform are you sending it on? On the chat. Oh, there we
Yeah,
go.
on the chat. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So it is.
Open live account. Individual. Yeah.
Does this guy have an Instagram?
I think so. Yeah. Oh, well. Proposed trade. What the purpose of trading? Just additional income, eh? At the moment.
Well, it depends what you. Yeah, at the moment, yeah, for you if you want. I wouldn't.
Or personal interest, or education.
Oh, yes, yeah, you can just do educational, yeah, education. That doesn't really matter too much, yeah.
Okay, sweet. What do you reckon about the fella?
I've never heard of him, man. Yeah, I haven't heard of him before. I couldn't really find his Instagram either. Yeah.
Okay. No, I don't know. Might just be a loan shark, maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, there are a lot of traders out there.
There's heaps, man. This is in. What funding amount should I do? Oh, that one. And then what leverage should I go for?
You can go for 500 to 1's fine.
Yeah.
You'll never use it.
No. Okay. Sweet. Oh, and what currency? Just New Zealand.
Yeah, New Zealand. Yeah, that'd probably be the best. Yeah.
Ah, shit. Yeah. ID.
So I mean, I wouldn't fund anything yet if I was you. Just saying.
Yeah.
So you can have it set up and then just like sit with it. You'll probably get a call, and then just say you're new to this. You're just learning.
I don't have any photos of my ID. I don't think.
Oh, so okay. So you can. I mean, you can always you can submit the application without having your photo ID, or any photos of any of your, and then like they'll give you a call, and then they'll tell you how to do it. You can either email it or whatever whenever you're ready.
Yeah.
But I think you'll probably be best off setting up a demo account first.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So after you submit this, you can set up a demo account, and then we'll take it from there.
So what's that Black Bull market? Is that the company you used to work for?
Yeah. So that's a broker. So
Oh,
they supply you with a platform to trade on.
Oh, okay.
Man, these things are looking good.
There we go. Thank you for opening an account. Oh, download.
Yes, you're gonna have to download the MT4.
Okay, so yeah, I'm just downloading the platform. Okay, what's my? I think it's Windows.
Yeah.
And then, okay, cool. Yeah, it's just downloading now, bro.
Cool.
So how long were you at Black Bull for? 2 years, eh?
2018, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And then you just decided you wanted to go out by yourself now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. Oh, shit.
And gold.
And then what do you usually trade in US or?
What do you mean, my account or what?
Yeah, your account.
My account's in NZD.
Oh, yeah. So the MQL5, is that
No, forget, you could just close that.
just close it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the platform should load automatically.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's just thinking. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So you'll see it looks it looks pretty complicated.
Yeah.
But yeah, I have to go through with you and sort of show everything to you.
Okay.
I'll do some. Yeah, I'll do a couple of intro videos. What's that?
Okay, so when are you gonna do those videos later on?
Yeah, so I'll just go through them. We can also do like a shared session. I can show you around as well.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be cool, man. Sure.
Yeah. So if you want to get, in the meantime, you can get trading team viewer, and then we can go through that. Yeah.
Trading team viewer.
No, team viewer. Sorry.
Oh yeah, team viewer.
Yeah.
Is there a link for that, or is it just on the internet?
It's just on internet.
Okay. Ah, shit. What was it called? Just team viewer, eh?
Yeah, just team viewer. This is over here.
Yeah. Got the black ball.
So when are you starting the new job?
Starting Monday, we got a massive extension and towel packing.
All right.
So it's a massive new build.
Mhm.
Or it looks like an extension renovation. So that's cool. It's my mate's company. He just set it up.
Okay.
So it's me, him at the moment, and then one of our mates just in Tauranga at the moment.
Okay.
He's doing. He's got a job down there for 6 months helping his uncle out,
Okay.
and then he's jumped back in with us up here. So it'd be the
Nice.
three of us.
That's cool, man.
Yeah. So it'd be quite cool.
Yeah.
It'd be good to have a change up because me and my boss would just keep clashing, eh?
Yeah.
Wasn't good, eh? But it was
Yeah,
alright.
that's yeah.
Yeah, just had enough of them. Yeah. So was this your plan from the start, just to jump on this year and go out by yourself?
Yeah.
Or how did it come about? Were you just like, man, I'm over it?
No, that's kind of the plan. There's a plan from the start always.
Yeah.
And then just finally decided to take the just go full time.
Yeah.
So what's that?
Pardon? What were you
What did you
saying?
say?
So were you so for Black Bull, were you trading other people's money for them? Essentially.
No, so I was an account manager.
Yeah.
So I was pretty much helping traders kind of get a better understanding of the market, and a lot of clients I was teaching them how to trade.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
And then when I left and went full time, I actually had a couple of clients call me asking me if I can do some mentoring, and I said, yeah, okay, I'll just get started with that.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah. Because I was always very limited in what I could teach people.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because they don't want everyone to know the whole
No.
secret.
So it's like it's the regulators. So the FMA in here in New Zealand are very strict.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I was extremely everyone's very restricted in what we can say.
Yeah. Because you don't want to give too much out.
No, so just a company can get in trouble, you know.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Because ideally, I mean, you want people to know as much as they possibly can.
Yeah. Yeah.
Otherwise, because as a broker, you want people to trade longer and have bigger accounts. So if you have a person who's a good trader, they grow their account, which means they trade more and they get a bigger account, so they trade bigger as well.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I reckon we should catch up for coffee and go over some stuff, if you can.
Yeah, man, I'll be definitely be keen.
I'm trying to download this team viewer thing and it's not really working for me, to be honest.
What's it saying?
Well, my computer's Windows and it's just, I click the Windows one and then click the download, but then it doesn't want to go.
What's at the bottom of your screen? Bottom left.
Bottom left. Nothing. Oh, on the screen, nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, okay. Says please close Team Viewer before installing. Otherwise, the window will automatically start with the window right click. Okay. So it says I gotta close the window. What the chat? Okay. Bro.
Man, it sounds like you're genuinely struggling.
I am. Oh, bro, it's all good. I'll get there. I'm not the best with the technology, so I'm working my way through it. But we'll get there. Sure. All right, hopefully. Okay, it's not working for me.
What error are you getting?
Pardon?
What does it say?
So every time I go to open the team viewer, it says team viewer setup. Please close team viewer before installing. If team viewer starts automatically with Windows, right click on the team viewer's icon in the notification area system tray and choose exit team viewer. But I've closed all the windows. I've only got you open, or the feed, and then I go to open it, but it won't let me. So I don't know. It ain't new. So then, is this the only market that you've been on to today, or have you been on the others as well?
Well, pretty much I've kind of been sitting in front of the computer the whole day because I've been working on the courses. So that's when I took these other trades.
Yeah.
But yeah, like usually you don't really spend that much time in front of the charts.
Yeah. Do you just put in your trades that you reckon is going to go and do that 3-to-1?
Yep. That's pretty much it, man. Plain and simple.
Yeah. And then you just go do your thing and then come back?
Yep. That's exactly it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty boring.
Yeah.
But don't have to do much else.
Yeah. So what's your best trade you've done this year?
This year? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I don't know, they're all pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Man, I don't know. It says probably the sell on gold over here so far.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, who's this? Oh shit. Yeah, it's the sell over here.
Okay. Yeah.
What's up, man? I thought you fell off the earth.
Yeah, sorry, man. I've literally been in meetings all morning.
Oh, dude.
Meeting after meeting after meeting. Let's have a look at gold. Saw your message now.
How's load shedding?
Fucking horrible, bro. They cancelled the load shedding now because the Zulu King died. So now everyone wants to watch his funeral. So they cancelled load shedding. I'm like, well, why can't you just cancel it forever then? Since you can do it for someone's funeral.
It's such a joke, man. Hey, yeah, Brendan, you see there's that furniture store that closed. It's called Mood. I can't, what's it called? Nido or something. And they closed. So now it's like they have everything like it's like 80% off. It's crazy, dude. Just like it's insane.
Really?
Yeah, man. You should go have a look before everything gets sold out. There's
Where
like
is
a
it?
couple of couches. It's in shit, actually I don't know. Nita, I think.
Nito. Oh, is it in the
No.
city?
Yeah, and I don't know if it's neat if it was Nita. I can't remember what the furniture store was called.
Is it Torpedo? Was it?
No,
What did you guys pick up from there?
nothing.
Oh yeah.
We got we got like small things. We were actually going. I think it's this one. I think it's nude. I think it's this one.
Nude. Nod.
I think so. Yeah. So you'll see it's like the discounts are crazy.
Eesh.
Um,
Yeah. It's probably for what they bought it for, eh?
But you can get a 10 grand couch. You can get like pretty much is 10 grand for 3 grand.
Okay.
But they only got like they pretty much have like just crap stuff left there because there was like they had like really good stuff.
Yeah. Everyone probably cleared them out straight away.
Dude, it's crazy. Yeah, it just like went for it.
Yeah. Probably because of the old COVID, eh? As well.
Yeah, so because I opened up just before the first lockdown.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and then like everything just obviously just went to shit.
Yeah. One thing after another, eh?
Yeah, man. Man, they actually sold out heaps of stuff already. Yeah. But yeah, if you want to get a 3 grand couch, well, 10 grand couch for 3 grand, there you go.
Back soon. Yeah. Nice. All right. I'll probably have a look at it. What's it new?
Nude, yeah, I think it's nude. Yeah. You have any trades today, Rion?
Nothing, man. I missed the GJ trade this morning. I wanted to take it at about 151,800, but yeah, I wasn't on my PC at that time.
This one fleeced me a bit today, this GJ, because I took it on that break. And then like retest and just like look, just like ate me away with this thing, this drop.
When was that? Was that during Asian?
Yeah, there was no news or anything, it just dropped. You'll see like I think JPY did the same. It was super quick, yeah. Went up and just like I don't know, it just fucking drop.
Seems to be the standard of GJ at the moment, eh?
Yeah, but this is JPY though. It's just like I was just like okay, we had a nice slow retest and then there's just fucking in like 6 minutes at the bus.
To be honest with you, I'm not even surprised anymore when I get fleeced in the markets. I'm just like, oh, it seems standard. Just accepted it. It's more when I win, I'm like, oh shit, I actually won a trade. That's where did that come from?
No, it's a bit, yeah, it's a bit of a pain. But I see gold's doing a nice retest now, eh?
Yeah, I also saw that. But the problem for me is this area that if it goes back below 1740, I think you're gonna have a very horrible time trying to take a buy there. Because every time it's like reached that 1740 level, it's
just freaks out.
Rejected it. Yeah, it goes crazy.
I'm pretty happy with this growth of this Instagram. I don't think it would go that quick.
No, it is growing quite fast, man. You just keep putting out content and it'll grow.
Yeah, well, I'm pretty much like I was part of the one that grew the Black Bull Markets one, and they've got like 20K followers now. So, and that was only after like a year.
Yeah, I don't know. Gold just seems to not respect me when I have to take trades, so I'm not fucking around with gold at the
I think
moment.
you need to find something else then if gold doesn't work.
Yeah, no, GJ's been okay for me this week. I mean, I'm in profit this week testing out some strats. I got flipping destroyed yesterday on GJ. Where was it? I'll tell you quick. I took a buy on GJ yesterday.
You can annotate on here if you want, you know.
I'm on my phone, so I can't.
Oh, okay.
So it was around like at 151. You see that break and retest of 151,600?
Just over here.
Yeah, was that yesterday? Yeah. And that's 151,800.
151,600. You said.
Yeah.
Oh, this over here.
There, yeah, that over there. Took that, and then it just came down and took me out. That week,
Yeah.
I think actually that week actually stopped me out because I got in at like 15165 or something.
But I think it's
That
probably
week.
because of like this over here. Like if you look.
Yeah. I was kind of hoping it would just push through that, but it was like, no, not today. And then when I went to sleep,
it's just a real shitty area to go into. It's real trash. You went to sleep hoping.
Yeah, I went to sleep and then I woke up and it broke my level, and I was like, thanks, bro. Thanks.
That sucks, man. I think we got this one. Also got me as well. This I was pretty like set on this thing going up because we had that break and retest here, and then we had like this. It broke this high, this low, and I was like, man, that's pretty gangster. And I just like literally went, bang.
Oh, it's just hasn't been a good week this week.
I'm okay. My week's been alright, but
I'm still in profit, but just like I've lost some stupid trades this week.
yeah.
One trade I closed out because it was getting too close to my stop loss. I was like, no, I don't want to take this anymore. And then literally the candle after I closed out, it went through entry and went in and hit TP1, and I was like, thanks, bro. Thanks.
Yeah, but see, that's the thing though. Like when you take a trade and you have like a set stop loss and take profit, you just have to leave it in.
Yeah, I'm also learning that now, bro. Like I'm trying to be like Raja and manage my risk, but I mean that guy's insane in how he manages.
Yeah, but
risk.
remember, he sees things, or like his brain works differently too. It's like a lot of people just try and copy.
Yeah, and you can't copy someone like who's done this for so long. And GJ is doing did a nice break of 152,200.
Yeah, but like I'd definitely wait for a retest now.
Oh, 100%. That's what I'm gonna wait for. Because knowing GJ, you'll enter here and then it'll be like, no.
Yeah, like this stupid thing.
I think it'll probably pull back to like 152,200.
Yeah,
possibly a little bit lower before it pushes up. Might even retest that prior resistance at like 152, like 08.
Yeah,
that level. So that's quite a strong level. It might pull back to there, I think, before it pushes up. Catch everyone out who tries to take the bounce of 200.
Yeah, so then you kind of have to wait for like a confirmation structure before you can take a trade. But you can see it's already starting to reject now. Because US30,
Yeah,
man. What's that?
Sorry? No,
you go ahead. You go ahead.
I was gonna say, like with GJ, I've just learned now, like the pullbacks are becoming like deeper and deeper, bro. So it's something I'm like watching out for. Like if it doesn't have a nice strong break, it usually pulls back through the first level of previous support or resistance.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what are you gonna say on US30?
This one, like a couple of times when I watched it, I was like, nice, like because I'm trying to figure this one out. And it looks quite nice as well. It's starting to move quite nicely. Like I remember I used to trade it quite a lot. And then I stopped for a while. And now I'm looking to get back into it again because it just moves so fluidly.
How's the lot sizes on this? Like usually with these kind of ones, you have to like take a 0.01 to get
Yeah,
like a
pretty
20
much.
pip move. Yeah.
Yeah, it depends who you're with. So with Blackman markets, you don't. So Blackman market can take a 0.01. Well, if you take a smaller slot, you can, which is 1.0. It's like taking a 0.1 trade.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much how that one works. But with any
I
other
was also
broker,
looking at US30.
yeah, it moves quite nicely. Yeah.
Yeah, it does. And it doesn't do like very wild wicks or
No.
anything like that. Like it's very rare. It's not like gold, where gold is like, I'm going to shoot up 100 pips and then come down 200.
Gold, look at it, man. Just like, look at the wicks. It looks like, can you imagine? I can't. I just can't deal with it. So ugly. It actually looks like an earthquake chart, you know?
Yeah, you can develop a new strategy, the earthquake strategy.
That's horrible.
How to trade these barcodes.
Oh, man. Like even this move to the upside set, like normal moves are just absolutely horrendous. Ugh, no.
How come?
So if you look at like a different market, so if we look at US30, right, and we see like the moves, I'll get this drawn. We see like it kind of moves like most of the time it moves kind of fluently.
Yeah.
So it moves nice and smooth. But then if you look at this gold, like you see this, like it gives like sharp bursts, and then like really bad moves.
Okay,
so like this, like so this whole structure here is pretty much the market doing this.
Yeah.
And it gives like a sharp burst and it goes.
Yeah. Inconsistent.
No, well, not just that, it's just like it's really messy.
Yeah.
So you see like looks like that the whole time. With like other markets, like they tend to be a bit more fluid.
It's difficult to trade gold.
Yeah. Because you can't have like set places to put stop losses. Because like, I mean, you can get, it's just, it'll fucking destroy them.
Yeah. No, I get where you're going.
Man, I've been looking around at some courses and stuff, trying to like compare my prices. There are some hella expensive things out there.
Yeah, dude, I've noticed that as well.
Some courses are just incredibly expensive. Yeah, like this other one was like $280 a month.
That's ridiculous.
It's just like that's so much. And you get like courses for like you pay like 20K for like a webinar course thing. It's crazy. Oh shit.
Well, that guy that I told you about, he wanted to do one for 1,400 or something like that.
That's not bad. That's not too bad.
US though. Yeah.
That's okay. Like it depends sort of what the course is about. Like usually you can get like an average course cost will be like, because like it's a lot of hard work to make a course. Like I mean, I just realized it now because I never understood why people make courses so expensive. And then like obviously when people ask me to start making courses and mentorship, I started doing it, and I was like, man, this is a lot of work. Like I spend a solid, like I literally wake up at like 9, get to the computer, and I only finish at like 3 in the morning sometimes. You know, so and I trade from 11 a.m. to sometimes 3 p.m. and then I do the course stuff, and then I start again here with Asian at like, UK at like 8 p.m. Yeah, 8:30 p.m.ish, and then I finish at like 11, and then again I get stuck on a course like midnight or 3 in the morning. You know.
Yeah.
So it's just non-stop work, man. It's like it's not just it's not just the material, like to create the material. It's like editing,
Yeah.
Yes, oh, man, it's so much work. I never realized how much work it is, eh?
Yeah. But then,
Oh yeah, and then website builder as well. Like I have to build a website, I have to pay for the website, I have to pay for the software to film the videos and edit the videos.
yeah, that's pretty gnarly, man.
Yeah.
I'll just I'll check up onto the.
Looks like gold's breaking back into that range now.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna touch gold though. Like until I get like okay, well, yeah, I'm not gonna touch gold at all. Just because like it'll fleece you, like because I mean, look at this. This was such a decent rejection, right? Like we saw that, like because this is what you saw.
Yeah.
So you see that, like, oh yeah, it looks really good, gangster trade, and then just fucking boom, big whip in the ass. And I was like, okay, see you later. You know.
Yeah, there was
like
no
again,
retest of anything. I thought it was going to drop after that, bro. I was
yeah.
like planning sells, and then it just went no.
Yeah. See, oh, this one's a similar again. Look, horrible. Like break and then just below the zone, and then I'll get this line. So beautiful below the line, broke above it. You're like, yo, there it is. Retest, gangster, let's go. It just does like straight back down. Nice retest again. I don't know how this one's going to go. Boom, straight back down. It's just horrible.
That's what I don't like with gold, bro. It doesn't give you the decent read. Like if you look at US30, bro, the break and retest
That's
on there is like
beautiful, eh?
textbook. It's textbook, bro.
It's legit like the stuff you see in books, eh?
Yeah, literally.
Like even this consolidation with the gap, man, it's awesome. It's like double top, beautiful double top, back down. Fucking fantastic. Eh?
Yeah, whereas gold is like I don't go by the textbook, bro.
No, gold just fleeces you, man.
Gold's just like if you don't have a stop loss on gold, I feel very bad for you.
I'll make sure your broker's got your number. Man, this is just absolute textbook. This stuff. This one's beautiful, man. Break.
Yeah.
Fake. You go stop down on that one, but then you get your second chance right there.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna have a look at US30 so at some point once I'm done back testing GJ.
So nice, man. So nice. Man, I don't know what music to play with these live videos though, because like YouTube's flagged me quite a few times now.
There's some death metal, bro.
No, because they flag me for copyright stuff, and it just sucks ass, you know.
Yeah.
And then yeah, it just sucks. And I want to get my YouTube banned.
Let's have a look at US30.
Yeah, I reckon US30 is awesome to get into. Was one of my favorite. I know it's Qualin Black's favorite as well. Like he trades it all the time. I don't want to miss these trades now. AD USD, AD CAD. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's just already massive.
That bloody team viewer doesn't want to work, eh?
What do you mean?
Try to open the window because it's downloaded, but it doesn't want to open. Doesn't make sense.
Do you have a computer or is it a laptop?
It's a computer, bro. Sitting at the desk. I'll just try re-download it again. I don't know. Should be right.
You're right. Going to speak. No, it's such a big-
Oh, and this one really pissed me off, man. I did a video on this one, KJPY. Was it KJ? No, it was something else. Sort of Instagram. I remember I did a video on this. Really got to me, this one. AUD CAD. Yeah, this bloody S and white. I don't know if you were here yesterday. Well, here when I talked about it last time, Rian, but I spoke about like this and this like major support, like on it. I was on it daily as well, weekly as like this major ejection. I was like, man, this thing's gonna fly.
I remember you told me about this. Yeah.
Missed this bloody entry. Oh, it makes me so upset. But I hope I can get like a break and retest here now. And then see if I can somehow jump back on board. I really like this look at this. Yeah. I'm gonna block this guy. Some guy just followed me who sells everyone else's courses.
He's trying to get your course, bro. Trying to get that free paycheck.
It's actually not a bad idea. Like because you're probably paying what, like $2,000 for a course, and some courses, you know, $4,000. But if you sell, you know, heaps of them buy with, you know, at a discount price, you know. I think you can make some good money out of it.
Probably could. I wouldn't be shocked if you could. It's an easy paycheck because you don't have to put in, everyone puts in the work and then you resell for lower value.
Yep, pretty much.
The only issue is when you resell the wrong person stuff and they find someone to sue your ass.
Oh yeah, I'm surprised because I saw you selling Astro FX course. Surprised they haven't sued him yet.
Yeah, but I looked at their course online because I was like very curious. Like, I never hear of them like ever having like super like winning traders. Like the only one I saw now was like this kid who withdrew like 20K or something.
Oh, the 28,
But,
yeah.
Yeah, I saw that now, but like I've never like heard of anyone outside of Sean Lee and what's his name, Aman, like doing really well. So I wanted to check like what their course is, and their course is like what, almost 3,500, 4,000, what's it, pounds, something ridiculous.
Oh, days. So that's 8,000 Kiwi dollars. So it's roughly about 80,000 rand.
It's ridiculous, bro. Let me just confirm before I say something wrong. But it was something really dumb where I looked at it, I was like, I could never even afford to pay for this. I think that's their accelerated course where they like teach you and then give you an account and everything, which doesn't make sense to me. Like, I just want the course. Don't really want the account.
Pretty much teach fibs. I'll be teaching that in the group anyway. So, like, they have a very basic understanding of Fibonacci.
Yeah, one person who I've been looking at now for fibs, just been watching some of his YouTube, was Daniel Savage.
Oh, okay.
He likes to use fibs. He likes to
Yeah,
use a
he's-
lot of fibs.
Yeah, Daniel Savage is actually one of. No, I can't say that. He's a good trader. I can vouch for that.
Is he? Yeah, because I've
Yeah.
looked online, bro, and he just seems to catch these insane trades, and I'm like, how do you do it, bro? Like he uses a lot of fibs, and
Yeah.
his is a little bit different. Whereas he takes the fib. A lot of people take the fib from the high to the low. He takes it from the break, from what I've seen.
Mhm.
Like he always draws it at like very odd spots where I'm like, that's not where I would have drawn it.
Yeah.
Then I'm like, but that's why you're winning and I'm not.
Fair enough. Yeah. I'm actually looking at taking this trader,
Which one?
this AD CAD. Ooh, it's a big stop loss.
Yeah, bro. Hopefully, I can save up enough. Maybe take Daniel Savage's course. That'd be nice. Because I feel like Raja's course is a bit it's a bit too stressful for me, bro. The way he trades. Like
I have access to a lot of this, like his stuff. Well, actually, I do have access to all his market fluidity stuff. It is pretty stressful, but like it's really good.
No, I don't doubt it's not good. I'm just saying, like, I don't think I could do the day trading like the way he does it.
No.
He's bred different, bro.
Yeah,
he's a different guy.
That's why he had to go to Turkey.
To get his hand. Yeah, man. No, he's a good trader, bro.
No, yeah.
But it's so weird. Like, you get all these idiots that come into his chat and like just say shit, bro. They're like, sell this, buy this, and you're like, why? I think they're trying to see like, okay, cool. If we can get enough people to do what I say, we could maybe get the market to move. But those are the idiots that don't understand that the market doesn't move due to retail traders, bro.
Oh man. Dude, we saw something pretty scary. When I used to work at Blackwell, there was this group of people from China, big group of traders, and they would all trade gold, just gold. And I shit you not, there were so many of them. When they trade, everyone else jumped on board, and gold would move they would move gold. It was insane. It was
Yeah,
mad.
but the problem is if you're not in the first group of people who do that, you're the one who gets fleeced. You're the one who's buying what they're selling.
Oh yeah, 100%. It was but dude, it was insane. It was always like some coaching group from China, but man, it was incredible to watch.
They could get in a lot of trouble for that, though, because that could be seen as like market manipulation.
Yeah. I guess it depends, because if you think about it, if you just have a bunch of students like Raquel, right? A bunch of people watching his live stream, and he takes a trade, everyone else just jumps on board. That's kind of the same thing, right?
Yeah, but he doesn't tell people to buy. What he does is he's like, I'm going to take this trade, and then he can't help what people do after that.
Yeah, I know, but like I'm saying, if they just follow him, right?
Yeah, no, it would influence it a lot. Yeah. Although you'll probably get those idiots that take the opposite of what he does because they're like, I don't trust this guy, and then they get destroyed.
No, I would. The best thing for me is like people would like he would say like, oh, okay, if it breaks above here, I think it's going to go up. But people will take the buy just because because he thinks it'll go up if it breaks, and it's like, oh, it's going to go up. I take the trade. And like, oh, but why did it go up? He's like, well, are you serious?
It didn't break the level, bro. What are you doing? I was telling my friend I should start a signal service, seeing how my trades have been going. I'll call it opposite trades. So whatever I call, you just take the absolute opposite of what it, and you should win. You should make money, bro.
That's it.
That's the way. I've figured it out. I've figured out how to make money.
It is, man.
Just watch. The moment I do that, I'll become a profitable trader, and everyone will get angry at me.
That's okay. They can be angry at you. At least you're a good trader now.
At least I'm better. Yeah, bro. I've been watching a lot of Daniel Savage's YouTube stuff to try and like get some knowledge from this dude. Like the shit he does, bro, is insane. Like he's just like, we caught this trade here, but he also gives a much bigger stop loss than I'm comfortable with, bro. He's like, yeah, we had a 50 pip stop. I'm like, on GJ. No, thank you.
How big was his take profit?
His take profit is also big though. That's the thing.
Oh, okay, so as long as it's for me, like as long as your take profit is like big, bigger than your stop loss, then you'll be okay.
He's actually got a good series out where he's flipping like a $3,000 account. He's got it to like, I think like nearly 30K now.
Okay.
And he explains like why he took certain trades and why he does that. But like his entry is just what amazes me, because he gets like entry at like the perfect point. It's like the retest of this and then moves out there, and I'm like, this guy's very good at what he does. It's actually a bit scary to watch him trade, because I'm like, I don't have the balls to take that kind of trade.
Yeah, but you have to remove that. As long as your analysis if you've back tested, you'll be okay.
if you've tested it, you should be more comfortable. But sometimes I'm still not comfortable, even though I've tested it. Because you're always like, well, what if now you haven't tested enough? You've only got a sample of 300, but if you tested another 300, you'd see it wasn't profitable or something like that. Always that happens. But I also don't like to backtest too far, you know what I mean? Because you go back to like 2012 and stuff, and you're like, well, this is completely different market. Yeah.
I can like back testing, depending on what time frame you trade, like 3 months. I can is like pretty good.
I'm actually looking at this US 30 now. I'd like to see it pull back to like this 3306 level. I've got a paper trade lined up. I want to see if it works.
Which one?
US 30.
You take what did you take?
No. I'm got a paper trade lined up. So
okay.
If it pulls back to 33,000 around there, I think that would be perfect. But I'm looking for anything between like 33,006 and 33,030 or 040.
Yeah.
I think that's a good support zone. I just like to see if it works out and then retest the previous high, because it looks like US 30 moves beautifully, man.
It does. It's so awesome.
Although when it breaks, it's a clean break as well. Looking back.
Man, I'm a little bit worried about this Euro CAD, because I literally just took this a buy on AUD CAD, so I've got two contradicting trades.
I was also looking at GBP USD. Did a perfect break and retest of like 13940.
I think you're kind of stuck in the zone, eh?
Yeah, the zone is a bit of a problem.
Yeah, I'll probably trade within the zone.
I think if it breaks 1.4, then I don't know. I don't even think I have a zone above that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty.
The next zone is like 141. Maybe 1405. There's also another area to look out for. Yeah, but we'll see.
Man, I've been finding this, like, even the UK session's been getting really quiet, eh?
Everything's been quiet this week. Like, there hasn't been like shocking moves to the up or downside.
I might trade this US Open as well. It's only 1 AM.
Damn, dude, you're trading late into the night. I value my sleep a bit too much at this point.
Well, I get a solid amount of sleep, and if I go to sleep at like 2-3 o'clock, I get about 5-6 hours of sleep.
Well, you need
it also depends on what kind of person you are.
Well, I like sleep, but sometimes you just gotta. I'm curious. I'm curious to see how this US30 plays out.
So am I.
Oh, bro.
What's the matter, Brendan?
I'm just on the struggle streak with that thing, that downloading that software. Oh, well, should be alright. I'll probably leave.
I'll give you a hand sometime with it.
I'll probably leave you guys to it then, eh?
All right, mate.
All right.
Take
Have a good
care.
one.
You too.
Bye.
Wonder how long he's gonna last. This is looking tempting, man. It's looking good. Because I've already missed 3 trades on US30. This...
Yeah, US30 is pulling into that zone right now. Eh?
That's really good.
I'd love to find a way to just automate my trades so I don't have any emotions involved. Create like a right.
It's like, dude, honestly, if you stick to like 3-2-1, just give it a go and you'll see. Like,
yeah, I stick to a 2-1 and it works out pretty well at the moment.
Yeah, but I mean 3-2, like, okay, if 2-1 works, but in my opinion, like I think 3-2-1 is a lot better because with 2-2-1, you know, it's pretty slow because if you get 3 wrong, you know, and
yeah, no, I get what you mean. 3 wrong and you're losing. You'll have to make 2 to make up for it. I get what you mean.
Yeah.
But I try to take off like 80 to 90% at like a 1.5 to 1 each trade sometimes. Especially if I feel like it's approaching an area where I don't think it'll break, then I want to take off as much as I can.
Yeah.
Like G just made this level now at 152, 500 around there. It's rejecting that. So I mean, if I take the retest of like 152, 150 around there, I'd be very keen to push it to there. Maybe leave a runner to see if it'll get to 3-1. So I'll give it like a 15 pip stop. Maybe a 20 pip, depending. Computer screen is bright AF. It's too bright. Dude, I feel like when I go back to jiu-jitsu again, I'm probably gonna have my kneecaps shattered by the blue belts.
Oh, dude, I did a takedown a while back I did like a drop sear, and I just
Yeah.
blew into my knee, man. It was just the, it was so painful. I just fell so badly on my knee, just absolutely just did not want any of it. It was horrifying. It was so painful.
That's also what I'm scared of, dude. Because like I'm not very good at like takedowns. I'm more good at like just doing like trips or something like that. Try to get my leg to hook yours and drag you to the ground almost. Go into like half guard or something. But takedowns, like whenever I do them, the guys always sprawl on me and I feel like my knee's about to explode. Especially if it's a heavy guy you're trying to take down, bro. When they drop on your knee.
Oh man. No, takedown. I love takedowns, especially since I've been training with this Division 1 wrestler.
Yeah, wrestlers scare the shit out of me, bro. I've fought a wrestler once and I was like, I'm never doing this again.
That's so good, man. He's just been really, really good, like super helpful.
You see, the thing is, and then you get like those guys who are Division 1, and then you get guys who are like Habib's level, and you just the level that certain people are at is unreal.
No, but Division 1 is like the top division in the States.
Isn't it like just below Olympics?
Oh yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so Cormier is the Olympics. I think Cormier went to the Olympics. Who you got between Ngannou and Stipe?
I actually don't care, to be honest.
It's interesting. Most people are saying Ngannou. You're just like, doesn't bother me.
I don't care. It doesn't bother me. I haven't watched TV and anything in so long, man. The last UFC I watched live. Oh no, I'm like I watched like some of the follow-up cards from Israel Adesanya, and I watched some of his fights as well. That was the second. That was the last live fight I watched. And the previous live fight I watched was the one here in New Zealand. Was when it was Dan Hooker versus Felder. And we watched that, and we watched this live in the Spark Arena. And that was about it, man. I don't really watch much live stuff, to be honest. I'd rather just watch the jiu-jitsu stuff. I love the who's number one stuff, man. That's gangster.
What do you think of Gordon Ryan slapping the shit out of Andre?
That's hilarious, dude. Fuck, I love it.
That dude's crazy, man. I love him. I can understand why no one wants to fight him because he's so good.
I'll fight him. Honestly, if I got paid to fight, I'll fight him. No joke, I'll fight him if I got paid to fight him.
Yeah, if you get paid to fight him, I wouldn't fight him straight up. Not a chance. I think anyone would fight him if they get paid.
No, but everyone is getting paid. Like Blake Alvaro, he wants $1 million. And I offered him like 40 grand. Man, if you offered me 40 grand to fight Gordon Ryan, I'll be on the next flight. No joke. I'll be on the next flight.
Yeah, I'd be like, Gordon, just don't break any bones or ligaments. You can school me, but don't break anything. Thank you.
Man, I would honestly.
His leg lock's out of this world, bro. Genuinely.
I think it's more of his back attack. So his back, like Craig Jones has got good leg locks. Gordon obviously has got fantastic leg locks as well, but his back attack stuff is just phenomenal. And he's getting massive now, dude. Gabby Garcia, holy shit! She is massive. She's so unbelievably big.
It's weird, bro. Like she'd kick the shit out of most men. Bruh. But I think like there's no one who can actually fight her in the women's division, bro.
No, she lost. She lost her last fight.
Against?
So it was a pretty small girl. Yeah, she lost to her, I think. That's the most recent. Yeah, I think she lost,
I have no idea. But like that sort of size advantage makes a very big difference in a fight. Like, I think it's actually very unfair for her to fight some of the
Oh,
people
man.
that she has fought.
To be honest, fucking hell. Dude, it actually looks like she makes her look like a child.
Who's that, Mackenzie?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mackenzie's good, bro.
I think Mackenzie beat her as well, didn't she? Yeah. But everyone, like even Gordon's little brother's getting so big as well. They're all getting massive. Oh, I would love, man. This is the fight I would love to watch. Anyway. Let's see what this gold's doing. Nothing. UJ.
No, I'm not looking at gold, bro. Don't mention that name in this chat. Gold is just a pain in my ass.
I think it was pretty quiet. This looks good. I like this. Sure. Cool. Ooh, it's just starting to look beautiful a bit.
Yeah, man. Almost hit that level.
Don't like this either. Okay, I'll start moving these things to break even. All right, Mr. US30, let's see what we got.
US30s literally just didn't want to pull back a little bit more. It's bouncing off that 3304 level.
Yeah, I think it might still come down a bit, to be honest. I hope
Yeah, I'm
so.
also hoping it comes down a bit. Also, I'd like to see GJ drop a bit more, but you know, GJ is GJ at the moment. Have you taken Daniel Savage's course yet, or not yet?
No, I mean, I'm not, because I'm making my own courses, so I'm not really, I don't have to take any more courses. No, I haven't taken any of his courses. He's a pretty good guy though, so.
Yeah, he seems like a decent guy. I also like his videos with his Lambo. Every time it's like he's in the Lambo doing something crazy.
Dude,
always
if
like,
you,
I'm gonna
if
get
it's
some
after
Starbucks.
cars you watch, I don't know if you follow, do you follow Amanat?
I do follow him. Yeah, I saw his
Oh.
Rolls Royce.
So gangster, man. Such a nice car. And
See, the thing is, like for
as
me,
well.
that the Rolls Royce seems just like so expensive for what it is. Like here in South Africa, I was looking actually at second-hand Rolls Royces, like 8 years old. They're like 8 million rand. I'm like,
Yeah,
okay.
but South Africa's cars are incredibly expensive. Like, I mean, cars cost you more than houses. Like you can buy a decent house. Like, because look, you're buying like 2 million rand for like a new Aston Martin, right?
2 million. That's like
If
a
you're
third
lucky.
of what you'd pay for an Aston Martin. Yeah, yeah. I can actually show you right now. Well, I can't show you, but I'll tell you quick what you can get for an Aston Martin. Let's have a look.
Like the new
What
DBS.
year do you? The new DBS. Okay. Okay, the new DBS. We don't even have the new DBS in South Africa.
No, it was there. I remember it was there when I went to South Africa last time.
Oh yeah, no, here it is. But the one that's 2019 that's used, you can get for 6 million.
What the hell? That's like in a house you can get for 6 million rand in South Africa.
No, a house that you can get for 6 million, specifically in my area, you could get a mansion for 6 million.
It's crazy, dude. Like cars in South Africa are a joke.
But it also depends where you're gonna buy a house. Though, if you buy it like Camps Bayside, you're gonna pay through your arse. It's like 6 million will get you like a 3-bedroom flat, maybe. It's
Dude,
not even gonna be.
That's not bad. Like here in New Zealand, you're paying for a 3-bedroom apartment here in the city. You're paying like what's it for? Oh no, okay, no, that's a bit too much. Like for 3-bedroom, I'd say like $3 to $4 million. So it's like 30 to 40 million rand for an apartment.
That is disgusting. That is
Yeah.
that is wrong.
Yeah, so like that's why I'm thinking of buying property in South Africa.
Yeah, you know, if you're looking at property in South Africa, you should look at like student rentals, bro. Those things are booming at the moment.
No, I'll just buy a house. I was looking because we used to live by Ngwenya, down by Kruger.
Oh shit, that's a nice area to be in.
Yeah, so we used to have like a holiday place there. So if you go to like forgot how you spell it, Ngwenya River State, yeah.
It's probably been renamed now anyway.
No, that's right, Ngwenya River State. That's it. And if you got like 3+ property type, house, vacant lot, commercial, industrial. I don't want to get it. I don't want to buy a farm. There's no way I'll buy a farm.
No, that's not a good idea.
Yeah, I mean, look at the. It's like really, that's so cheap. It's so cheap, dude. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, like I said, it also depends which area you buy in as well.
Yeah.
Because some places they rip you off. Because they know people want to live in that area, so they're like, well, let's push the price up through the roof.
Yeah. Oh, dude.
And human beings being humans are just like, oh, I'll pay that. Yeah, housing in the right area is quite cheap in South Africa.
This is quite a small place, though. But yeah, I mean, dude, it's just like for me, it's just like.
But for me, I'd love to live on a golf estate, bro, just so I can play golf every day.
Oh, dude.
I mean, go have a look at like. I was gonna say which area now. I'm trying to think.
Because we were thinking of going to Greenpoint in Cape Town.
No, that's overpriced. You're gonna pay through your ass for that.
Oh, dude, it's nothing compared to what we pay here in New Zealand. Like, I'll give you like, I don't know if I should say this on live YouTube. We pay $640 a week for it.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
So that's 6,400 Rand a week.
A week, not even a month, bro.
No, a week, yeah.
That's crazy. That is a lot of money, man.
And yeah, in Cape Town, I wouldn't do a house. I'll probably do like an apartment or a flat.
Yeah, the problem is Greenpoint's not like the best area to live.
You reckon?
Because like that place is like becoming very, very expensive. It's nice, don't get me wrong.
Oh, okay, no,
But
but yeah,
like-
that's right. I'm not fussed about like that. Like this is super cheap for what we have. That's gangster. See, like for this, you'd pay like 60 mil Rand here in New Zealand, easy. 8-car garage. What the hell are you doing with 8 cars?
Well, I mean, if you can afford that, I don't think the garage is your problem, bro. You're not gonna be like, oh, what am I gonna do with an 8-car garage? You're gonna fill it. That's what you're gonna do.
Yeah, oh, dude, that's beautiful, man. My parents are like just genuinely don't want me going back to South Africa to move there. Eh?
It's up to you, bro. Like I personally would keep something here in South Africa because obviously just because it's where I grew up and stuff.
Yeah, my heart's there. Eh? My heart belongs to South Africa.
My only issue with South Africa is the fact that no one's doing anything about the exorbitant crime and everything, bro. I'd be very scared to raise children now.
Mm.
It's just not safe for them anymore.
Yeah, it's
I
just
mean,
like,
when the sorry,
no, go ahead.
I was gonna say when the politicians are so corrupt, then you can't expect the police to be the most decent human beings.
Yeah. Dude, I feel like this is 3 apartments put together. Right?
Which one? This one.
Yeah, I think it's 3 apartments that actually eventually put together. this one over
Yeah,
there?
it looks like it.
Because if you look at the structure, like the structure of everything, like 2 kitchens, 3 kitchens. It's just like, yeah, the top story is like super nice and the bottom ones are absolute trash. Yeah,
I think they lived in the top story and rented out the bottom ones.
probably, yeah.
Wouldn't surprise me. But yeah, dude, I don't know. Greenpoint for me isn't because I'm not the kind of guy that likes to be in the city. I like to like have open field and have dogs and shit running around. Yeah, you're gonna pay a lot as well, but you're gonna get more, I think, in hard pay.
Yeah.
Crime has spiked in hard pay though.
Oh, really?
That's the problem. Yeah.
It sucks, man. South Africa is just like, there is no country as beautiful as South Africa, man. It's just like.
No, I agree with that, bro. 100%.
Look at that view, dude. Just. That's just incredible, man. For $800,000, man, come on now.
Yeah, I think if you're gonna do that for like a holiday house, you'd probably want to look at getting it in an estate.
Yeah, but there are no bars on these windows. Like, I mean, because we used to live in Pretoria, right, and that was a shithole.
Yeah, Pretoria becomes very dangerous very quickly. I think Joburg is the most dangerous.
Yeah, I mean, realistically, they're so close to each other. Man, this place is stunning.
Yeah, it's so open though. I'd be stressing out. Got like no fences, nothing. You're right next to a mountain.
I got a little fence here. There you go. There's your fence.
That's gonna be so helpful, eh?
Yeah, but weird. It's kind of odd how there's nothing.
They probably never
Oof.
had a break-in, or they just didn't realize they had a break-in. Because that's way too open for me, dude.
Yeah, weird. I wonder why is it so open? Like, maybe no one knows about this thing that this place actually exists.
Yeah, that's probably why I was wondering. They're probably like, oh, why would we go into the mountains? There's nothing there. Meanwhile, someone's got like a mansion in the mountains. See, like just judging from the area that I live in, bro, the crime has increased, and I don't live in like a. Well, we never used to have a crime in our area. Like that was bad. It'd be like one break in a month or something, but it's become quite bad. Yeah, and we've had people try to break in by us a couple of times now.
Weird.
Yeah, those people are way too chilled with their house.
Let's see, man. I need to see if this is. Oh, it looks like you are in like an estate almost. Yeah. Sacred was. Oh yeah, it's an estate, isn't it? No, is it? Is it?
It's a restaurant.
Yeah, there's just absolutely nothing here. I'm gonna drive
That's
around.
the problem.
Oh, you can't even get onto this road. It's like bloody. It's like trying to look at Zimbabwe.
Yeah, you look like you're in deep shit if something goes wrong there, bro.
But it looks like you're. What's this?
Yeah, it looks like you're living in the mountains there.
You can see this is either the roads are either from the DA or not from the.
Yeah, the roads here are at least good in Cape Town. Not the best, but they're good.
Oh, like I was. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Was it? I can't remember which it was, but it was we shit roads. Dude, the worst pothole, the worst road, ironically, it was potholes I've ever driven. On the way to potholes, holy shit, it was horrible. I love this as well, the Cape Dutch stuff. Man, I shouldn't look at this. I'm gonna buy houses. I forget if I keep looking at it. My fingers are getting way too itchy.
You're gonna be, next stream, you're gonna be like, guys, check the house I got. It's like, did you go and look at it? No, it just looked nice on paper.
Yeah.
Just bought it.
Yes, just bought it. You arrived and it's been burnt down already, and everything's been stolen.
That wouldn't surprise me.
Okay, JPY is just slowing down now.
Yeah, GJ's not doing much. Not pulling back to the level I was looking.
Let's have a look at yield faithful gold. Nothing.
No. I told you, bro, once it's below 1740, I don't wanna be near it. If it like gave a nice retest of 1740, I would have been like, maybe I'll give gold another chance, even though it would probably have fleeced me, but
yeah. This Euro case going good as well. Come on. I've actually got my stop loss a lot lower than this. Man, I like how on this Discord, like people react to that post and they never actually speak. So I'm actually just going to remove everyone who hasn't spoken in this Discord. I'll just leave them all behind. Because I feel if people are going to pay for this, I don't want people freeloading off it. We're not really that. We just don't care.
Damn, are you in this Eurocat trade?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah, I took it based on this, like, it was sort of like a break-in retest that I took. Yeah.
Had a nice rejection there as well.
Yeah, I've got three trades running. I've got this CAD JPY running. Just turning to shit. Oh, I spoke about it's absolutely going. Don't do this to me. Anyways, and then I've got this AUD CAD. Oh man, I'm so over filming, like filming this course.
Yeah.
I hate editing so much. I get like at least 10 messages a day from people saying, when am I going to finish?
You tell them I'll be done when I'm done, bro. Relax. Dude, sometimes if I'm not even trading, I'll go to Raja's stream just for comedy, just to watch what he. My favorite part is when he's like, "Let's use the famous Chinese indicator," and he just whips out Google. Everyone's like, "Why do you think it's gonna do this?" And he's like, "I'm just telling you what I'm gonna do, bro. Like I'm not." And then the one guy asked him like, "Do you trade fibs?" And he's like, "No, I don't trade fibs." And they're like, "How can you not trade fibs?" He's like, "Because I don't trade fibs, bro. What do you want me to do? Like, to start trading fibs for you?"
It doesn't work for you, does it? Oh man.
Yeah, people are very stupid in that. A lot of people just go there to copy him, bro.
Yeah.
And then they get upset when they lose. Because they must also remember that when Raja's telling you he's entered the trade, he's entered it before you've entered it, and there's a stream delay.
Oh yeah, yeah. Like the thing is, the student delay is like I think 20 seconds.
And that's enough time for you to lose like 3 pips.
Yep.
That's why if I watch his stream, I'm more looking to see that he's looking at the same stuff I am. Don't really care what trade he takes. I just want to make sure that he's not thinking of a buy and I'm thinking of a sell, you know, because then I'm just not going to be into the trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, US30 literally just didn't give us the pullback.
No, I didn't. So look and see. Oh man. Oh, we'll get it next time.
I still think DJ will give us the pullback we want.
Yeah, I agree with you on that one.
I mean, this 1 hour hasn't given us a bottom wick yet, so it still needs to give us a little bit of a nicer pullback.
When this US Open. See if we have any news on or anything interesting happening. Okay. Oh, it's 8 years away. Ooh, US session is going to be interesting.
Oh, all that news, yeah.
Yeah, dude. Good. I don't have any GP pairs for any. No trades on pound.
This week's been kind of slow, man.
Yeah, well, I was thinking we've got some nice moves. But yeah, it hasn't really given us like hasn't really started anything new.
Yeah, I think we've just been so conditioned by the past like month of trading. Everything's
Yeah.
just been going crazy. Oh, it looks like GJ's pulling back now into that range. That's nice.
I'm not gonna
See
lie,
what we
I'll
get.
probably look at taking this if it does reject, but I'm not gonna lie, I'd prefer if it was a bigger retest. You know, like if it was like that kind of structure.
Yeah, I was also looking for that, but I thought we would maybe get it to like 152 800 before it pulled back, but it just didn't want to give us that level.
No, because like what I mean is like because now it's just like it's just doing like this. You know, where I'd prefer if it was like
A stronger one.
yeah. Because this is just like a little
Hey man, it's not the size of the retest or the size of the break that matters, it's the size of the retest. But yeah, we'll see.
Did you mess that up?
Yeah, I did. I messed it up badly, but well, we won't talk about it. We'll ignore it.
It's not the size of the retest, the size of the motion. Oh, yeah, I can't even think of a way to fix that.
Yeah, I can't think of a way to fix it either. I thought I was going to be smart, but it just didn't work.
I haven't checked the YouTube in a while. Oh, Robin Hood looking to buy. Why is he not? Robin Hood, why is he not on the Zoom? I sent the Zoom link and yet he's on YouTube. Okay. Look to buy some gold off the trend line at the 1 hour. Look at this, Rion. There you go. Robin Hood said he's going to buy gold. Are you going to buy gold?
Not a chance. I'm not touching gold, bro. It's below that 1740 level. It's not something I want to be in right now. I mean, I see why he wants to do it. It's bouncing off that previous support there, but that 1740's reacted. It's quite a strong rejection a few times, even if you look back. So, yeah. Good luck, Robin Hood.
Yeah, that's Shane, right? I don't know why he's.
That's a shame.
Yeah, I
Why is he
don't know
not in
why
here?
he's there. I don't know. Oh, he just woke up. Well, good morning. So look, this Instagram, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna start looking at gold. Let's have a look at this. Dude, those houses got me seriously tempted in.
Be careful, bro. That's all I'm saying. Because soon you're gonna start buying, and you're like, well, when am I? How long am I actually gonna spend in South Africa? Always think of it like that. Don't buy something like super crazy if you're not gonna be here for more than like 3 months of the year.
Yeah, well, we can't because my wife doesn't have she doesn't have this SA passport anymore. I've still got mine, so I can stay there as long as I want.
But she's got to fly home.
I think because we're married, maybe she'll be allowed to stay with me longer,
Yeah, she should be able to. I don't see why not.
Well, there it
Although
is.
South African visa restrictions are very stupid.
But the first time we went to South Africa, they said we needed a visa, and then we joined. But we applied for a visa, and then she got the visa, and we got to the airport, and when she arrived at the gates, the guy like looked at her passport. He's like, "What's this?" She's like, "Oh, it's a visa." He's like, "Oh, you didn't need this," and I was like, "What the hell?" And then the second time we went, we arrived, and there was like the area where you declare things in the airport.
Yeah.
And then, so if like it was like, oh, I was curious, so I looked around to see what they're doing in the area that's declared, because South Africa is quite a big airport, and there was no one there, like no security guards, nothing. You could legit just walk through with you can literally hold a bag of cocaine on your head and walk through, and no one would know. I'm not lying to you. There was not a single soul in the security check area. Like you just walk straight past all the scanners and everything, just straight past, no one there.
I'm not surprised, but
I was like, what the hell? Hey Shane, how you doing, man?
Yo, what's up?
What's up,
my
bud?
roommate's asleep, so I can't talk too loud.
Oh, that's a shame. I always like hearing your beautiful voice.
Yeah, so for gold, I was looking at, so if you look at gold in the 1 hour, see that trend line from 1679.
1716 or 1675 or what?
Yeah, so if you draw the trend line, there you go. So I'll be looking to buy some at the third tap of that trend line, and then if you look on the 4 hour,
Let's see something I could do.
or I guess, okay, that's another way to draw it.
I was just thinking because of this one.
Okay.
4 hour.
And then I'll be looking to what? Oh, okay, I see. I already tapped that range. Oh, well, I mean, it didn't make a new higher, but you see.
I reckon if it breaks, it'll go higher. Don't be tempted around, but I reckon if it breaks, it'll go higher.
Like 1758, something like that. But
Dude,
like
I'm
the
not
way
gonna
I
lie to
do
you.
it,
I'm looking at 800, at 1800. Not gonna lie
yeah,
to you.
yeah, just cook that conservatively.
But I know this daily was a little bit contradicting. No, it's not. Oh, gold's gonna go to them. Wow. Okay, hold up.
But that's what I'm looking at.
Wow.
So
Rihanna about
yeah,
to put his whole life savings in gold.
me.
About to drop a 20 lot here, bro.
No, that's not your whole life savings. 20 lots. No stop loss. That's your whole life savings.
That's my whole life savings right there, bro.
I
Everything that I have.
Dude, swap will kill you in gold. I
Yeah.
hate swapping. Gold swap is horrendous.
That's all I'm looking for.
I'll get some more coffee.
Yo, Ryan. What's up?
Yo, what's up, bro?
I'm Robin Hood.
Oh, yeah.
My first
I
name is
figured when,
Robin. My first name
okay.
is Robin. My last name is Hood.
Shut the hell up, man. All right, I'm gonna get some coffee. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch gold for a while, bro. Gold hasn't been nice to me.
You got screwed over.
Yeah, a few times, bro, where to just kiss my stop loss and then go in the direction that I want every single time. So gold and I are on a break until
You guys are breaking up.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many pips do you go for when you trade gold?
Well, I'll usually try to have like a 20 to 25 pip stop, looking for like a short, quick, like 40 to 50 pip gain. But that hasn't been working for me, so I have to look out or try to look at something different.
Yeah, it's too volatile. I couldn't scalp gold, man. Like I would take like intraday trades. I'll be going for like, 40, 50 pips stops, but not like, I couldn't do gold with 20 pips stop or 10 pip stop. I don't know how Ted does it. It's just madness.
Yeah, I also have no idea how Ted does it.
It's just too volatile.
And the problem is Ted's doing it on like 100 lots, bro. So I don't know how he handles that stress.
This guy, man, I don't know. I think, well, it certainly helps to have your own brokerage.
That's fair, but I mean, he still has to put the money in to take the trade. And still just sit there and be like, okay, is it going to go anywhere? Is it not?
Yeah, true. So what are you looking at now?
I'm looking at GJ, man. It's literally tapping into that level now. 152,200. Literally just bounced off there and rejected it now. So I hope the rejection is not too strong.
Guys, take any trades yet?
Nope.
How far down is your gold trade room?
I didn't take my gold trade, bro. Damn, GJ's getting a nice bounce here, bro.
GJ. Ooh, it is, eh? That's beautiful. Oh, that's very nice, dude. That's super clean. What about you, Robin Hood? You take any trades? Or planning on taking any?
No, until New York.
You see, there's a lot of news coming out. There's
I
1
haven't
o'clock.
looked at the calendar. Let me see.
I'll show you here. You can see
Okay.
here. So right now it's 10:30 p.m. So like we got this.
Yep. It's like 3 in the morning, 3:30 in the morning here.
Why are you up at 3 in the morning?
I just woke up.
Oh, kudos for joining, man.
Yeah. But I'm off today though, so
Oh, okay.
Pound news.
Yeah, I think it's.
Yeah,
I think that's probably why the markets are quiet today.
Yeah, we got like unemployment claims. Yeah, a bunch of shit.
Oh yes, Canada's NFP.
Yes. What are you eating?
Me.
Yeah.
There's these cookies. So there's a bit of a story behind them.
Oh, okay.
Let me just zoom in. Where's the camera? Can't see where they're on. Anyway, so there it is. So these cookies have actually got a bit of a history to them for me. They're like almond cookies. So I used to eat them when I was like a really small kid. And I always used to have the sticker on. This is like 25. So this is like 10 years ago, right? And they used to have a sticker on that says 6 and then plus 1 free. And I'm 20, and it's 10 years later, and they still have the exact same sticker on them.
Wow.
And they're still in the stores, but they're the most delicious cookies on this planet. These almond cookies, they're from Holland. They're so good. Holland Bakehouse. It's these ones. They are so good.
Oh yeah, Phil, you wanted to talk about expensive cars, bro. I
Yeah.
wanted to tell
These
you how
things.
much a Rolls Royce costs.
Okay, how much?
Yeah, in South Africa,
Mhm.
a brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan costs 16 million rand.
Oh my gosh. What the fuck? That's insane.
A 2019 Rolls Royce Ghost costs you 10 million rand. It's disgusting, bro.
Oh, it's 10 now. Wow.
I don't know, man. I've never been a fan of Rolls Royce. For me, it's just.
Dude, you know what's a gangster car? It's the Bentleys.
Oh, I love Bentleys, bro. Come, let's have a look at Bentleys. Let's waste time.
Yeah, because this market's
Bentley.
just absolute trash. Nothing moving. My trades are literally sitting the same. What the hell is this?
Chinese.
Oh, do you guys want to see something? I want to show you guys. So you see Antifa.com. Do you know where that goes to? You guys want to
Donald
see?
Trump.
That sounds like
I'll show you.
some conspiracy group in the States.
So it actually used to go to Joe Biden's website, but now it goes to the White House. Holy shit! Yeah, dude.
That's crazy.
Anyway,
I thought Antifa was like Trump worshippers.
I'm not a. Well, let's not get
Sorry
political.
about that.
About what?
I don't know if you can hear my dad was shouting in the background.
No, it's okay. I think I'm used to it. South African dads. Did you leave a light on?
No, he's just answering the door.
Dude, you know what I found? South African dads are the loudest people on phones.
Dude, don't even talk to me about that, bro. He shouts into the phone.
It's like he's trying to make sure the guy hears him on the other side without needing a phone.
That's exactly what it is, bro. Because he's like partially deaf now, so he thinks everyone else is also partially deaf. So he feels the need to very loud.
Yeah, these Bentleys are absolutely fantastic, man. There's this new one.
You want to talk about Bentley prices here, bro? The Bentley Mulsanne 2019 here in South Africa,
Dude.
9 million.
It's a pretty
9
sexy
million,
car.
Yeah, dude, this is like Shane. I can see you driving this car, but this color, I reckon you'll drive this color.
Yeah, definitely.
Bro, the Bentley Continental there for you is like 400,000 US. That's 4 million.
No, this is 400,000. Hello, I'm part of. I want to email. I want to message him back. Fuck off. Dude, this is so clean, man. I don't like the rims. I reckon Bentley rims are hideous, but the interior is dope. What's your favorite car, Shane?
Bentley.
Really? Which one?
Like the color?
No, it's the
brand.
type of car.
Oh,
Like the type of.
I'm not really deep into the. But I like Bentley.
Wait, so which one do you like?
I like Bentleys.
Big ones. But do you like the Bentiago? I think that's pretty gangster as well, dude. That's so clean.
Yeah.
I think any Bentley in black looks very good. When it's got that like chrome black finish. Looks really nice.
Oh, that's pearl. That's gangster. It looks like a Rolex.
You're into watches?
Not really. I've got more of a cologne addiction. Like my thing's collecting cologne. I love colognes.
Okay.
Yeah. No. What about you, Mr. Rian? What's your car?
I actually quite like the new Range Rovers, bro. But like the Range Rover Sports. They're like these big, bulky monster cars. There's one in South Africa that's right now that's bulletproof, bro. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, well, I'm
really know. They really know their target market.
Yeah. A Range Rover or a Land Rover?
Yeah, it's in Land Rover, so you'll probably find it there. The new Range Rover Sport, yeah, that one. Not the Discovery though, the Audio. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll get it for you quick.
Everyone watching the stream's like, what the hell is this?
What's it
This
called?
is what we do when isn't. What's that?
It's a Land Rover Range Rover SV autobiography. That's what it's called.
SV.
Yeah. Fuck, it's a nice car. The one year that's bulletproof is going for 4 million, bro. It's an investment.
That's crazy, dude. Oh, is it this one over here? Dude, that looks like a
Yeah.
straight up. That's dope. I've never really
I
been a
love
big
those
fan
cars.
of Range Rover, but like this is gangster. Dude, have you guys seen the new Rolls Royce, the big one? The Ute?
I haven't seen it, no.
Dude, it's a monster. It's gigantic. I'll show you. It's massive. I'm not really a Rolls Royce kind of guy, but this thing's jacked. See if they have it.
Rolls Royce aren't really like sporty. They're more executive.
No, this thing is dope.
Yeah, if you have a Rolls Royce, it's more like, look, I'm not rich, I'm wealthy, bro.
Yeah.
It's not. It's like I spend my weekends at a country club watching polo or some shit.
They don't have it. I'll show you.
This Rolls Royce, they're German.
I have no idea. Look, that's like it's massive.
That's a monster.
It's like a proper drug dealer car. I absolutely hate their wheels. Same with Bentley. So
See, for me, I'd pick a Range Rover over that.
really, no internet
Yeah.
connection. Don't lie to me. I can see I've got.
So that's kind of laggy.
Yeah, you're quite laggy. Yeah.
I want Ethernet. Oh, that was weird.
You disconnect or something?
Yeah, it was really weird. I just like that was really weird. Anyway, I think I'm probably not even going on YouTube anymore. I know I am. Am I? Yeah, I am, apparently. Yeah, this is my car, man. This is gangster.
What vehicle do you drive now?
Let's see. What's that?
What vehicle do you drive now?
Me, we've got a BMW.
Oh, okay.
Gents, I have to bounce for another meeting. It's been good.
Oh, all right. Take care. I'll catch
Thanks
you
for
on
the
gold,
session.
yeah?
Are you? Yeah, I'll let you know how my life savings go.
Yeah, I'll probably be here like for the US as well.
All right.
I don't know if you're going to go to sleep, Shane. If you are going to go back to sleep, I'll probably start working more on the course.
Yeah, I think I'll just take a quick nap and then wake up.
Easy.
All right,
Well,
gents.
I'll see you guys at the
Cheers.
US session then.
All right.
Peace out.
Yeah.